2016 Volvo XC60. From sidewalks to pathways in the blink of an eye, the XC60 was named a Consumer's Digest Best Buy in the cars, pickups, minivans, SUVs, and hybrids category. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, power steering, automatic transmission, power windows, trip computer, remote power door locks, leather seats, tachometer, airbags, head-up display, rear wiper, driver memory seats, power heated outside mirrors, rear spoiler. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.